What time is it? It's science time! Understanding the basics of static charge will allow us to hopefully make a plastic ring levitate above a balloon. So let's get started. You're going to need your balloon, a plastic bag, some scissors, and your towel. Now I have two types of plastic bags. I have this little plastic bag, and then I also have this bigger bag that I got at a grocery. I'm going to start with this green bag because it is smaller, and I'm hoping that the smaller bag works better because there's less mass to it, and yeah, we just hope it works. First thing you're going to do is you're going to unfold your bag, try to get it as smooth as possible, and I'm going to cut off the bottom. Try to get a straight cut out of it, and then I'm going to cut just a small little sliver off of the bottom now. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. Ah, staticky already. And there I have my plastic ring, okay? Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to take a balloon. I'm going with a blue balloon. I'm going to make it so I can hold the balloon with my hand. There we go. I'm going to be able to rub the balloon with one hand, and then I'll be able to hold my other ring with the other so I can kind of work together. If you have a partner or a family member, this is where they're super helpful because you'll need an extra set of hands potentially. All right, I'm going to take the balloon, rub it against the towel. You can actually hear the static. And the towel's reacting, look. The towel's actually reacting to the balloon. And now I'm gonna take this. Ah, it's so dry in the house right now. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna let go. Wait a minute, it sticks? I thought it was supposed to float. Look at that though, it's like half sticking, half floating. If it's sticking to it, wait a minute. Like charges repel and opposite charges attract, so I did not expect this to happen at all. But I wonder if I take this off, if I charge this again, I probably have to charge both. Look, it's, oh, that was cool. All right, so what we're gonna do, it's actually attracting, look, it's attracting, it's standing straight up. I did not expect it to be like, oh, that's so cool. So if the green bag is coming to the balloon, that means they have opposite charges, they're attracted to one another. So in order to make this levitate away from the balloon, we're going to need to have them have the same charge. So we need to rub them both against this towel. I'm just amazed that it's doing this. I didn't expect it to do this. All right, so I'm gonna set this over here for a second. I'm gonna rub that all over this. I'm gonna get that charged. Now I'm gonna take this, rub it all over this. Now for lucky, they should have the same charge. Like charges should repel. Oh, did you see it? Let's try that again. Oh, that's so cool. I'm gonna slide back. We're gonna try it again. Static electricity at work here at my house. I should have made the balloon a little smaller. It's really hard to hold with one hand. All right, I'm gonna rub this in here. Ah! It. There we go. Oh, that is so awesome. That is so cool. All right, we gotta try that one more time. Rub this over this. That is so much fun. That is so much fun. All right. So we're gonna get this charged. And then we're going to charge this as well. And now we're gonna try to drop this It's stuck to my hand. There we go. Static charge. Have some fun. If you have a smaller bag, give it a try with a smaller bag, or you could try it with a larger bag to see if it has the same effect on the plastic bag with the larger one. So much fun. You've got to give this a try. Have some fun with your family. Do some races across the house or across the living room. Yeah, static electricity. Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.